Hey guys, and welcome back to All Cuber. So, it's been a while since I've posted a video, and I thought I would make my very first mod. I'm really excited for this one, and yeah, so here are the materials I will need to make this mod. And so here they are. As you can see, it's a little bit of a big mod. And so, yep. With that said, cue the intro. Alright, so first step is just put some paint in here. Get the paintbrush, dip it here, get the dice, paint it. Oop. Get the glue the stickers, and then boom, you got a 1x1. Excuse me, not Lego 1x1. I get those mixed up sometimes. So, time to cue the time lapse. Also, I'm actually gonna do this mod from the side, so be prepared for me looking like this a lot. So it's about an hour later, and the 1x1 has finally dried. So this is kind of what it looks like. As you can see, there are still some indentions in there if you kind of look in the light. Also, there's this side I need to take care of. Probably noticed I have paint all over my hands, all over there. And the paint has dried out. Now, I'm gonna stop this fan, by the way. Go. So now it is not going anymore. I will get the paint in there. Just a bit on there. Some more on. I'm hoping you're really enjoying this video because it took a long time for this 1x1 to dry. Now, yep, just, I guess, there's also those stickers on the floor. Oh, shoot, forgot there was paint on there. Oops. Make sure there's no paint chunks on there because you don't want final product. There we go. Now we wait for a while. Yeah. So it is a lot later. Also, I cut the scissors down to the stickers down to size, which I'll have here. And so, yeah. Those will kind of cover up all those imperfect flaws right there, hopefully. So yeah, I have to cut the stickers down to size. Why do I keep getting scissors confused with these? And no, I'm not wearing a blindfold. And so, yeah. It is completely black, just a little bit heavier than I expected. And yeah, it doesn't matter the way I turn it. And so, yeah, start the time lapse. Whoa. It is now about 2 hours later. I have finished the 1x1 mod. And you probably also know, hey, what happened to your finger? Well, I put this Band-Aid on, and it doesn't stay on. So, yeah, here is the finished product. I hope you liked this mod because it took me a while. I'm also not going to scramble it because I do not know how to solve it. And I'll look up one of those tutorials. But I know how to do a JPerm on 1x1, so I'm going to do that. And there we go. There's a JPerm on 1x1. Let me just undo that right quick. And there we go. So the 1x1 is complete. Another cube added to my collection. Yay! And so, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.